guys, it's Lily, and this is part 2 of my cat. I didn't list it part 1, but I'm just making a part 2. Alright. So my cat is under there. He's right there. Maggie, come on, girl. Maggie, come on. He's playing cat and mouse with me, I think. My dad told me that game once that cats play. I think I'm the cat, she's the mouse. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna peek under here. Oh, I think she's not the cat. Oh, there she is. She's a very calm kitten. Aren't you, Maggie? Aren't you? Yes, you are. I was using the bathroom. Oh, say hi to that big guys. My dad, this used to be his piggy bank, but now it's his door stopper. I'm not using it right now. Okay. Here, Maggie. See, she likes to peek under there somehow. Alright. Okay, Maggie. No. Maggie. Why does she always do that? It's okay to be curious, but oh my God. I mean, who would want to be curious with a man trying to go to the bathroom? It's just weird.
Are you videotaping this?
I'm videoing Maggie. I'm making a part 2.
To what?
My cat Maggie. You didn't see that. Now you do.
Make part 1.
Yesterday. You didn't see that. You did it. Did it. Did it. All right, Maggie. Woo. You so cute.
Favor.
What?
Go into Lila's bathroom.
Oh my goodness, Lila's
In
bathroom,
the closet, there's some toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
Yeah, can you bring it to me?
I guess. All right, I'm gonna have to cover you guys up for a second. All right, make sure you guys are covered up. All right, I got it. All right, guys. I couldn't let you see that because my dad was...
You weren't recording that, were you?
No, I put my hand under it because I'm filming the other way, so I didn't do it. I let them see where I got the toilet paper.
Maybe I'll delete that and start over.
Probably. I should. I'm probably just not going to do it. So Maggie is a great tabby, as I said. Her real name is Allison. We actually got her from the animal shelter, and we're in June, we're going to take her to the vet. Oh my God. Oh, and Daddy, make sure to come out with your pants on.
Huh?
Make sure to come out with your pants on.
I plan to. Why would I not?
I don't want to know.
Don't tell me I'm change shirts.
Ew.
Oh, I hate that shirt.
with Maggie. So, I think that's the end. Bye-bye. Make sure to comment down below if you have a cat. And subscribe and dislike. And dislike or like. Dislike or like. Dislike or like. Dislike or like. Dislike. Ew. My dad was. Dislike or like. Dislike or like. Okay, bye bye.